It gives us the whole diameter. We need the radius. What is it?
7.
7. We have everything?
Yep.
Plug it in.
Radius.
So we have 4 pi. What do I have to remember to do to the radius? Square. Okay. What does square mean? Times by itself. 7 times 7.
49.
49. What's next?
Times 4.
Multiply by 4. What do you get? 49 times 4.
196.
196. Last step is times by pi.
61575.
And then what did it ask us to find? Surface area, so our label is
Inches
squared. Okay. Any questions over surface area with spheres? Okay, we're becoming pros at this by now. I want you to talk with your elbow partner, table partner about what the formula for volume of a sphere is going to look like. All right, what did we come up with? What's got to be involved?
4 pi.
Okay. So I heard 4. You are right. We need 4 pi r. It's not squared this time. It's cubed.
Divided by 3.
Divided by 3.
Right behind you.
Bingo. Okay. So again, what's the only thing we need from our sphere? We need the radius. What is the radius of number 4?
4.
4. Now plug it in. So we have 4 pi radius cubed divided by 3. What do we need to do first when calculating? Cubed. What's 4 times 4 times 4?
64.
64. Divided by 3. What comes next?
Times it by 4.
Yep, 64 times 4. So you get
256.
256 pi divided by 3.
Times pi, 804.
Yep. Multiply by pi, 804 point something. Leave that in your calculator. Because what's the last step you need to do?
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3.
268.08. So if you round it, it'd be 268.
And then what's it looking for?
Inches cubed.
Volume, so we need inches cubed. Okay. So a little longer of a process in your calculators, okay? But we still only need the radius. So I want you, skip 5, go ahead and try number 6. That same thing, number 6. What's different about number 6 compared to number 4?
Diameter, not the radius.
Gives us the diameter. We still only want the radius. What's the radius?
9.
Radius is 9. You just divided that by 2. Okay? From here, we can plug it in. What do I have to remember to do to the radius?
Cube it.
Yep, to the third power divided by 3. Okay, let's walk through it slow again because there's a lot of steps. What needs to happen first?
Cube it.
That exponent, right? What's 9 times 9 times 9? 729?
Yep.
Okay,
Times that by 4.
right. My next step, I'm going to take 729 times 4, which is what?
2916.
2,916. I still have pi with it.
9160.8.
Now we want to take 2,916 times pi, which is what?
91608.8.
What'd you get? Sorry.
60.8.
Okay, thank you. And then last step, we take that divided by 3.
3053.6.
And then it was looking for volume. What's our label?
There's another 3.
Feet cubed. Yep. So when solving this, calculating this, leave it in your calculator. Okay? What's up?
There's another 3 after the 5.
Thanks. Okay, questions? Guess what? That's the last formula of this chapter. We're done. Okay?